I need your advice regarding Frigidaire air conditioner troubleshooting.
If you have a Frigidaire room AC, both AS and ES mean a sensor has failed, call for a repair person. If it is running normally, it will show you the temperature or the timer if you told it to wait 30 minutes before kicking in.
It is a house AC.
A lot of the same error messages are used. ES means there is a problem with the evaporation sensor, while AS stands for the ambient temperature sensor.
I sense you're going somewhere with this, but I have no idea what to do about sensors.
Try resetting the AC by flipping the circuit breaker off, waiting 10 minutes, then turning it back on. This reboots the control board, and it may fix software glitches affecting the sensors.
Or at least tells me a reboot does not fix it, before I feel guilty about calling a repairman to do the same thing.
E5 is the error for the heat protection or motor lock. In that case, it may be that the compressor needs the running capacitor replaced if it has high amps. And if that does not work, the compressor needs to be replaced.
At least I can find starter cap kits online that are not nearly as expensive as a compressor.
You may have a fan motor locked up, which means the unit is overheating. You may need to unjam a fan, add oil to lubricate it, replace the fan or replace its motor.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
I said nothing about Christmas.
That's about the only thing you did not suggest replacing.
Oh, you could replace the whole thing. Maintaining it by cleaning the condenser coil and replacing the filter is a good idea too.
If the fan is frozen, it is not because the coil is literally frozen.
If the coil is frozen, the AC usually has a defrost cycle to thaw it out. In theory, you could get an E5 notice because the defrost heater won't turn off, but that's rare.
In theory, so is needing to defrost the AC.
If you have a refrigerant leak, that can freeze the condensate you normally find on the air conditioner, until you run out of refrigerant.
Short of seeing outgassing like the opposite of warm breath in frigid air, I do not know how to diagnose that.
If the filters are really clogged, then you may have cold air not escaping and getting so cold the coil freezes. You should at least be able to see if the air filters are darker than the hole the repair bill would burn in your pocket.